Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Launcher not working. So let's begin. So here we are in our desktop, and as you can see, I got the Minecraft Launcher right here downloaded in my PC. So first of all, what I can recommend to you to fix your problem with Minecraft Launcher is the simplest solution, and that is simply going to restart your computer here in the start menu, and you want to click this button right here, and you can see the restart option right here. You want to click on that, and after that you want to relaunch your Minecraft Launcher and see if the problem is fixed. But if not, then we can proceed to the next step. The next step would be going into your start menu again and then typing in run. And from here we can see the run app, and we want to launch this app right here, so click on the run app, and from here you want to type in app data when this dialog appears. So once you have typed app data, just like this one right here, you want to click on OK. And from here you want to go into roaming, and from here you want to go here into this folder that is .minecraft. You want to tap on this one and open it, and from here you can see the launcher underscore or underline profiles right here, and as you can see this one right here, so you want to delete this. So delete this one, and you don't have to worry deleting that because that will be automatically regenerated when you open your Minecraft app. So once you have done that, then you want to close this, and then you want to go and open your Minecraft Launcher again and see if the problem is fixed. But if not, it's still not fixed, then the next step might be the one that would fix the problem. So the next step would be going into our start menu again, but this time we will be typing apps and features. And you can see the apps and features right here as the results, and you want to click on that, and we will be prompted right here in our settings. And once you are here, what you want to do is simply search for Minecraft Launcher. Here it is, Minecraft Launcher right here, and from here you want to go click here on advanced options under the name Minecraft Launcher. So you want to click on that, and you will be prompted right here. And from here you want to go here into reset. You want to make sure that you are under here, and you want to click on the repair button just under the reset section. So you want to click on this one, click on repair, and as you can see, there is now a check mark beside the repair button, so that means the repair is now finished. So after that, you want to close it, and now you want to reboot your PC. You want to restart right here, and you want to launch the Minecraft Launcher app again. But if it's still not fixed, then I have one last solution for you, and that is reinstalling and uninstalling your Minecraft. So to do that, we simply need to go to our start menu again and go and type apps and feature once again. So once you're here, you want to search for Minecraft again, Minecraft Launcher, and as you can see, here it is, but this time we will be clicking on the uninstall button. So click on uninstall, and you want to click here uninstall. So once it has been uninstalled, just like this one right here, you want to close this right here, and you want to go into your Microsoft Store. Right here you can go into your start menu and type in Microsoft Store just like that, and you'd be able to open this right here. And from here, let's say you are right here, so you want to go and type Minecraft right here so that you would see the Minecraft app, and you would go for this Minecraft Launcher right here. So when you have the Minecraft Launcher right here, you want to go and play right here, or you want to download this one again because I have uninstalled this. So let's go and open it once again right here. Let's open our Microsoft Store, and let's just wait for it to load. And you want to go into Minecraft Launcher again, search it right here, Minecraft Launcher, and you just wait for it to load, and then here it is, Minecraft Launcher right here, and it says right here install. So once it says install, you want to click on install. And after that, all you have to do is basically wait for it to download and install and play it again and see if the problem is fixed. Once you have done all of these steps, everything should be fixed right there. And as you can see, it has now the play button, so you want to click on play right here, and as you can see, it's updating the Minecraft Launcher. And after that, after it has finished updating and downloading the files, it will be able to run your Minecraft smoothly. And that's basically it for this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.